full wireless visual intercom doorbell, which consists of indoor unit and outdoor unit, 2.4G digital frequency hopping, and encryption technology, and is accessible within 300 meters with a very strong anti-interference. This product also adopts the most popular touch key, highly sensitive, technologically advanced to a great extent, prolonging the lifespan of the press button. The indoor unit adopts an HD 7-inch digital color screen, high-strength tempered glass, high-end and luxurious. Let's compare. Powerful wireless RF remote control function that you can hang on the wall, tea table, and also put it on the table, lunch table, anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection you can use it. When you have a visitor ringing the doorbell, press the talking button slightly to talk.
您好，请问您找谁？
Smart wireless switch to open the door for visitors. All you need to do is press the unlock key. Wireless people function even with no one to press. Indoor unit can also display outdoor conditions. If you are not at home, you don't need to worry. Once visitors press the doorbell, indoor unit will take photos automatically. With the time the photo was taken shown, you can easily check the records after returning home. If you grow bored with the one ringtone, that's fine. The full wireless visual intercom doorbell has 16 polyphonic ringtones for you to choose from. Moreover, you can adjust indoor unit's display brightness and speaking volume. The full wireless visual intercom doorbell also has one special ringtone design. That is, after visitors ring the bell, once it is connected to indoor unit, outdoor unit will ring back.
你好，我找一下周明。
The full wireless visual intercom doorbell outdoor unit adopts rainproof cover design. The surface is touch buttons, anti-moisture and waterproof, aesthetic and fashionable. Clear infrared night vision, even without light or little light, can monitor and film images. More importantly, it has a tamper alarm function. If outdoor unit leaves rainproof cover, indoor unit and outdoor unit will all give out a pressing alarm, making it safer and more reassured.